Nowadays, when we talk about specs removal, there are a lot of advanced laser technologies available. And one very important thing to understand is the cost of each procedure, which is not random. It actually depends on multiple factors like technology being used, safety profile, how fast the recovery is, most importantly, what kind of final vision quality you can expect. Now, broadly speaking, LASIK surgery can be divided into two main categories, flap-based and flapless. Let's start with flapless methods first. In flapless procedures, especially in surface ablation technique, the laser directly reshapes the cornea without creating any flap. So there is no cutting and no flap formation involved. Because of this, these are considered among the safer LASIK option, especially in those situations where flap-based LASIK may not be the best choice. These procedures are particularly useful for people who are involved in physical demanding activities like sports, gym or defense training, where there is always a risk of injury to the eye. Also, patients who have relatively thin or borderline corneas are often better suited for flapless options. At the same time, candidates who are preparing for government or defense medical and prefer to avoid any possible detection concern often find flapless procedure to be more practical and comfortable choice. Also, let's not ignore the psychological aspect. Patients who feel anxious or who are uncomfortable with the idea of any cutting or flap creation in the eye generally feel much more relaxed with this approach because it is completely no cut and no flap. In certain medical conditions as well, for example, if someone already has underlying eye conditions like retinal disease or glaucoma, doctors tend to be more cautious, and in many cases, surface ablation techniques are considered the safer side. Now, within the flapless procedure, there are multiple techniques. The most basic one is PRK. In PRK, the outer layer of the cornea called the epithelium is first removed using a chemical solution and then laser is applied to correct the number. It is definitely a low budget option with a cost of around 8,000 per eye, but the trade-off is that the recovery is slower and achieving full vision quality can take anywhere between 1 to 2 months. Then comes a slightly advanced version, topo-guided PRK or epicontura. In this, apart from removing the spectacle part, around 22,000 data points are studied and corneal polishing is also done to improve clarity and overall quality of vision. The cost is around 18,000 per eye. However, since this also involves chemical removal of the epithelium, recovery is still on the slower side, usually around 2 to 4 weeks. And because alcohol is used, patient may experience slightly more pain and discomfort initially. Now coming to Trans-PRK, which is much more refined and upgraded version. Trans-PRK is a one-step procedure. It is completely touchless, completely bladeless and completely flapless. The patient is simply asked to fixate on a light and with a single button press, the entire treatment, both epithelium removal and power correction is completed in one go. Because there is no manual intervention and no cut is involved, the procedure is very controlled and very safe. The total treatment time is usually less than 5 minutes. In Trans-PRK, more than 1 lakh data points are analyzed for aberration correction and surface smoothing, which helps in achieving very good visual clarity and contrast. In fact, in some cases, patient may even experience better than normal quality of vision. The cost of Trans-PRK goes up to around 30,000 per eye. Now at this point, it is very important to understand something about Wavelight plus Innovyze. So Trans-PRK is very similar to Wavelight Innovyze flapless surgery, but the only difference is Wavelight Innovyze is two-step procedure wherein first step is used to remove the epithelium and the second step is used to correct the power. Trans-PRK is a one-step process, so the recovery in Trans-PRK is much faster than Wavelight Innovyze. Another important point which we need to highlight here is the technology Wavelight is actually designed primarily for flap-based LASIK procedure. Its standard and validated use in flapless surface treatment is not established yet. So, if somewhere it is being described as flapless Innovyze or a surface-based ray tracing treatment, then in simple terms, it may not be delivering the full Innovyze ray tracing advantage as originally intended. So practically speaking, Innovyze flapless is very similar to epicontura, same machine, same program, only the charges are very high, which is around 70,000 per eye. Next comes SmartSurf. You can think of SmartSurf as an advanced extension of TransPRK. It includes all the benefits of TransPRK but adds more advanced features like 5D eye tracking and dynamic cyclotorsion control. What this means in simple terms is that during the surgery, even the smallest eye movements are tracked and adjusted in real time, which significantly improves accuracy, especially in patients who have cylindrical path. SmartSurf is also capable of correcting higher levels of astigmatism with good precision. Another important advantage is that the entire process from pentacam data to machine input is fully automated, which reduces the chances of human error. It uses a patented smart surface technology which creates a very smooth corneal surface. Because of this smoother finish, recovery is noticeably faster compared to PRK or Epicontura, and patient comfort is also better. Cost of smart surface is around 37,000 per eye. Now coming to one of the most advanced option in flapless category, which is Customize. Customize with Foresight can be considered as an upgraded version of SmartSurf. It uses AI-based ray tracing planning where the system creates a 3D model of the eye and evaluates multiple treatment possibilities even before the surgery is performed. So in a way, both the doctors and patient can get the idea of expected outcome even before the procedure begins. This level of customization helps in achieving very high quality vision, and many patients achieve 6/6 or even better visual quality depending on the individual factors. Compared to many other platforms, Customize focuses on creating a smoother corneal surface and conserving more tissue by using low energy pulses. This makes it particularly useful in patients with thinner corneas or higher spectacle numbers, where traditional LASIK may not have been advised earlier. Since it is completely touchless, bladeless, and AI assisted, it is considered one of the most advanced, highly customized, and safest options present today. Its cost is around 47,000 per eye. So, these were the flapless procedure. Now let's move on to lenticule-based procedure. In this method, instead of reshaping the surface, a femtosecond laser is used to create a small disc-shaped tissue inside the cornea called the lenticule. This lenticule is then removed through a very small incision which reshapes the cornea and improves vision. The most advanced and the latest option in lenticule removal is Clear Supra by Zimmer, which is trusted Swiss laser technology. It uses very low laser energy with extremely fine precision, due to which recovery is faster and discomfort is minimal. Each treatment is customized for the patient, which improves clarity and overall outcome. One of its major advantages is that the chances of dryness are significantly lower compared to the traditional LASIK procedure. Most patients start seeing well from the very next day and can resume their routine activities quite quickly. Its cost is around 47,000 per eye. Finally, let's talk about flap-based methods. In this procedure, a thin corneal flap is created, lifted, laser is applied underneath to reshape the cornea, and then the flap is placed back in its normal position. This flap can be created either using a blade or with a femtosecond laser. In blade-based LASIK, two main types are standard LASIK and Contoura LASIK. In both, a microkeratom blade is used to create the flap, which is their biggest limitation. Standard LASIK is the oldest and most basic version. It is low cost and gives good vision, but the flap remains in the eye for life and can become a risk factor in case of future injury. Also, because blade is used, precision is limited and long-term issues like dryness, glare, night vision disturbances can be relatively more common. Contoura LASIK is an upgraded version where around 22,000 points are analyzed and corneal polishing is done to improve clarity. However, since the flap is created using a blade, risks like irregular flap, incomplete flap, displacement, or buttonhole complication can still occur. That is why nowadays femtosecond laser is preferred for flap creation because it is much more precise and significantly reduces these risks. Among femtosecond procedures, popular options include Wavelight Innovize and second Customize with LASIK Supra. Both are advanced, but in terms of features and precision, LASIK Supra goes one step ahead. It uses 5D eye tracking with dynamic cyclotorsion, meaning even the smallest eye movements are detected and corrected in real time, making the treatment extremely precise. It also uses dual energy for tissue removal, one for the faster removal and another for fine finishing, which helps in preserving more corneal tissue and maintaining long-term strength. The laser pulses are extremely fine and closely spaced, which creates a very smooth corneal surface and results in sharper and clearer vision. Another important feature is foresight technology, where a 3D simulation of the eye is created before surgery and expected outcome can be visualized in advance. Even with all these advanced features, customized with LASIK Supra is more cost effective compared to Innovise with a cost of around 60,000 per eye, whereas Innovise can go up to 70 to 80,000 per eye. At iMantra, all the latest options flap-based, flapless and lenticule-based are available. Our goal is always to provide most suitable and safest technology based on each patient's eye condition and needs. If you are planning specs removal, you can book a free checkup, and if you have any question, you can also ask us in comments.